I have a little something. Package. So if I remember, this is my phone screen on my other phone. Oh god. Yeah, I don't have a cutting device right now. I don't really know what to do. I just woke up also, so yeah. I'm too lazy. Just grab a knife or something. Come on. Oh, you're kidding me. Oh, camera shook. It's fine, it's fine. Ah, there it is. Back to the screen. Yeah, here it is. Oh, my mouse, no. I'm gonna careful with the screen. Oh. Okay. This looks neat. Ooh. Yes, this is the screen here. There's the back. There's the for the speaker thing. Okay, I'll grab the phone. There. Oh, and the squeezer. So let's get this one finished quick. So I am going to go out today. So yeah. Phone in here, I think. I don't also have a LCD tape or something. What is it called? It's the LCD glue. Dumbass. Yes, there we go. Screws are in here, if I remember. Yeah, it's right here, I think. Yeah. I'll put the screw on later. I'll just put this thing back together for a second. Oh, shit, the SIM card tray is there. Hold on, let me get a pin. Okay, got one. Motherfucker. Are you kidding me? There we go. Still stuck. I guess. There we go. Now, here's the motherboard, here's the speaker. Let's figure out how to put this into here. Oh boy, this is gonna be one scary thing to do. Oh, no. Slide that in under. And then this big one slides under the bigger hole. Well, this is a little tricky. Look at the back. Yes. Nice. Don't drop this. This is gonna be one expensive mess up if I did. Okay, so the ribbon cable now. Oh god, that's scary. Okay, I'm just gonna cut the video for a second because I do not want to mess things up. Okay, I got the ribbon cable in now, so it's time to just apply the battery. Bruh. It's kind of floaty, but okay. Okay, that's done. for this thing here. Yeah, this one is really repairable for some reason. I don't know why. It's like so easy to just repair shit in this thing. Okay. There's nothing else that's more loose than this. Okay. Okay. Got the phone. We got everything. Let's just turn this on. See if it even worked. Oh, the button's stuck. Alright, y'all, it's time for the moment of truth. Hold on, let me just take this out. Wait, no, not the time. Oh, yes! Let's go! It's on. It just needs battery. Oh. Hold on. Power supply coming in. What the hell? There we go. Yes. I'm just gonna leave this to charge right now. So, see y'all a little bit later. Holy crap. It's on. I also put some screws back, so yeah. Oh, finally. Dude. Yeah, yesterday it's supposed to arrive, this screen, but like, got laid. But, who cares right now? I'm so happy that this thing is back to life. Oh my god. Okay, I gotta remove this so I can do touch. Oh, that's so good. Okay, back to where I am. Yes, this is the phone screen before it died. I forgot the password. Hold on, let me try to remember. Too worth it to like help get out, but I don't really know now. I guess I should just delete shit out of here. Okay, let's just. Whoa, no, that's the battery. Oh, still on, right? Okay, still on. Okay, I got in. Oh my god, I thought I lost everything there, but never mind. Good thing I still remember my password. Okay, let's just wait just to load for a second because it just woke up anyways. And hold on, let me just adjust the camera. Adjust the brightness here. Yeah. My god, dude. Finally. After many months, it finally turned on. Oh. Your device data is inaccurate. Whatever. I won't use WhatsApp on this thing anyways. I'll be using this for something else. Alright. See y'all. It was a very anxious thing to do. Because I'm scared of breaking this thing apart. So, I'll see y'all in the next one. Goodbye.